Bago ko mag-umpisa, nais kong i-congratulate yung nag-botilyon at saka mix with Rigodon de Honor, palakpakan po natin. Sana naman sa next year, mag-join tayo ulit sa next induction, Pwede ba ka? Anong gagaling talaga Talaga lahat kami nagulat, kami nasa taas. Muli po, congratulations sa ating mga ate at kuya sa inyong pinamalas na napakagandang special number. At yun nga, bagamat wala ang ating mga special guest, nais pa rin natin pasalamatan ang presensya ng ating minamahal na Provincial Governor, ang tawag namin dekada na 2 decades, 3 decades na bossman. Yun ang tawag namin nung una, kasi sa mga negosyo, na ngayon ay Kuya Go Melgo. Palakpakan po natin kahit wala man sila. At syempre ating special guest Kuya Mayor James Martin. Palakpakan po natin sila kahit wala naman. Si Kuya Jopen Mayor Peñafort. Nabuhay ang agila. Nabuhay ang agila. Okay na yung mga lighted sound? Ayun, buhayin po muna natin yung LED. Ayan, yan kaya si Kuya Rickson. Thank you, Kuya Rickson. Ang ating kaibigan. Timing na timing. And of course, gusto natin magpasalamat sa ating kuya, ang Kuya Manager ng Meralco GM Sol, ang ating Police Colonel Cornelio Tadenya, and of course, my due respect to our founding governor, Bobby Gonzales. Palakpakan po natin. Former Bukala, Kuya Go Bong Rasa. Palakpakan po natin. Bagamat nawala po ang ating si Kuya, dating former Bukal Janjan Fernandez, palakpakan din po natin. At ang ating napakasipag 2021 kasama pa natin si Kuya Leonard Borja, ang field director po natin, taga National Office po. At meron po tayong mga importanteng personalidad andiyan ating Bukal, Kuya under my club, Kuya Primo Pamintuan. Ayan. At andyan ang ating head ng PRDM, Kuya Obet Macdon. Palakpakan po natin. And to all Marinduque Matikas Region Club President, hindi ko na isa-isahin pa para matapos na tayo agad. Kilala naman natin. And to all Matikas Region Club Officers, and to all outstanding former officer, mga founding president, yung iba andito, napaka-importante po natin na mga bisita. Please allow me to also introduce my one and only wife, ang ating Marinduque State University Alumni Federation President, my lovely wife, Carmencita Laos. Palakpakan po natin. Lagi pong nakasuporta sa ating mga community service, ang aking minamahal na asawa. Friends and ladies, gentlemen, a pleasant and very positive, magnificent evening to each and every one of us.
I am deeply honored to be here, standing in front of you, and share special points of this event. For me, this is another remarkable learning experience. And please allow me to share with you, as founding president of Tourists Pulanlupa, service through strong brotherhood. We have conquered meetings and we had several community service that made a difference to the lives of our Filipino citizen. As the club president of Tourists Pulanlupa Morion Matikas Eagles Club, we remain deeply committed to our mission of service. And now, your regional governor of Marinduque, Matikas region. Our mission of service and community development since 2021, our club has consistently carried out meaningful initiatives that aim to uplift and support our Filipino across Marinduque. Among our notable accomplishments are the continuous implementation of community service program such as feeding programs to our community, for our children, the Sagip Uhaw water assistance, initiative and environmental efforts through tree planting, not only in our club, but Marinduque-wide. Last year to 2025, nasa likod lang po kami tahimik na gumaganap na mga tree planting, and we have the records in DNR, Torres Pulanlupa, Morion Matig Eagles Club, ang pinakamalaki na proyekto na itanim dito sa ating Marinduque, ang 13,800 tree planting sa ating Malindig, Mount of Malindig. Hindi pa po kasama ang maliliit nating activities, ang tree planting sa Pulanlupa. Kasama po ang tree planting sa mga watershed. At kasama po natin ang iba-ibang mga NGOs, mga doctors. Andyan din po ang tumulong tayo sa mga pamilya affected by the fire, assisting in the construction of houses, 5 different barangay. Makikita po natin ang pagtatayo po natin ng bahay na totally na wipe out. Yan po ang ating mga pinagmamalaki na community service. Construction of houses for 5 displaced families, and of course, through of our Pusong Pinoy party list, ang inyo pong likod, dating president ng Pulanlupa Tourists Morion Eagles Club, ay napagkatiwalaan ng ating matalik na kaibigan, ang founding chairwoman ng Pusong Pinoy party list, at tayo po ay naging second nominee sa ating lalawigan. At tayo po ay namahagi, hindi lang po sa isang bayan, kundi Marinduque-wide, lahat ng sulok, barangay, kapatagan, kabundukan, may bagyo o wala, andyan po ang tuloy-tuloy na pagtulong. At kasama ko po ang ating minamahal na Governor Bong Rasa, Kuya Bobby Gonzales. Nagtungo po kami sa Mindanao region noong nagkaroon po ng total tragedy sa Surigao. Magkakasama po kami naghatid ng tulong para mamigay po ng mga ayuda. Kasama ko po ang aking mga Eagles member, katulad ni Kuya Emil na nagpapahiram ng kanyang sasakyan, libre pa ang diesel. Ang aking Eagle members, palakpan po natin sila, walang bayad. Yan po ang tunay na agila na tumutulong. wala man sweldo, walang perang involved, kusang loob po yan. These efforts reflect our unwavering dedication to service, compassion, and unity. As Eagles, we believe that true leadership shown not only by words, but in action. Serving the community with sincerity and purpose. Sabi nga, the road to success comes through the hard work. Naalala ko pa yung tatay ko nabubuhay pa. Andito yung kapatid ko, si Kuya June, Kuya Len, na ang kayamanan ay hindi sa pera. Ang tunay na kayamanan ay ang pagtulong sa kapwa. We do value that a lot because the majority of us here are public servants. And some of us are also respected businessmen, businesswomen, government official, and others. And we are extremely grateful that despite coming from various backgrounds, we all share a sense of purpose. With this, I can confidently assert that the finest relationship are not those that bring together perfect people. Rather, relationships are those in which individual learns to live with the imperfection of others and can respect the other person's admirable qualities. We firmly believe that finding your purpose in life, doing your best job, and discovering your inner qualities is what life is all about. Mga kuya and ate, tulungan niyo kami, magtulungan tayo. Ituloy-tuloy po natin, palakasin po natin, pasiglahin po natin ang samahan ng Marinduque, Matigas Region. Yung po mga old officers, mga old club president na kasama ko, magtulungan po tayo. Ano po? Lalo po ang tatlong hari na napakarami ng mga members, magkasama ang Buena Vista, ang Buwak Matigas Region Club, ang Luzon Dato Morio Matigas Eagles Club, ang Santa Cruz Morio Matigas Eagles Club, ang Torres Pulang Lupa, at may karamahan po tayo, ang Marinduque Elite Eagles Club. Finally, I want to encourage all Marinduque Matigas Region to get involved other their services whenever, wherever, and whoever needs it, especially the vulnerable, underprivileged, indigent, and displaced. With our dedication, we will start our smaller but eventually grow to be incredibly formidable one. We shall put a lot of effort, even is not appreciated. We will strengthen our impact on the history of brotherhood. Isa puso po natin, mga kuya at mga ate, ay importanteng pundasyon ng ating samahan. May the Lord bless us all in all our endeavors. Mabuhay ang Philippine Eagles. Mabuhay ang Agila. Mabuhay ang Agila.